Lesson to be learned. Don't forget the O-ring. This guy. It's supposed to be in here. I forgot it. I laid it out like I was gonna put it in. Got excited, put the case on, and now I gotta split it again. Sucks. Right there. All this work again because of that O-ring. It's my fault. It's good now. Let's drop the cases on. Game time, boys. Alright, motor's built, ready to go back in the chassis. And then I gotta tighten like the sprocket bolt. That was about it. There she is, ready for the engine drop in. Hopefully won't take more than 45 minutes. But Knowing me, it'll probably take longer, just like the motor did. Ran into that hiccup with the O-ring for the coolant passage between the two cases. I can't believe I did that. I had it laying out right here. Totally forgot to put it in after I set the cases on there, and then I had to re-split them, which is another pain in the butt. But it's done. Everything's good. Just once I get it in, I'll start it up and we'll see how she runs. Sweet. She runs and moves. Success.
It's okay. It's okay.
You gonna ride it?
Here, get on the bike. What does the bike say?
Vroom vroom.
Yeah.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. So
Go
where Daddy
loud.
rode it? Daddy ride his bike out there?
So I finally finished the bike. Pretty much took all of last night after work and pretty much all day today while doing some errands around the house and in town. But all in all, the bike's ready for tomorrow. Sorry if I have some crappy footage of the assembly. I was trying to get this thing done as quick as I could without screwing anything up, and even trying to go as quick as I did without screwing up, I still forgot to put an O-ring in, which caused me to have to split the cases again. So therefore, don't rush anything. Totally my fault. I even laid the O-ring out thinking that I would just pop it in there, but I got too excited and just snapped the case together, and sure enough, had to go back and re-split the case. So here's the bike all done. I did put my numbers on it. I've had them for over a week. And then I also got a Cycro Stadium front number plate for it. So it looks pretty cool, I think. There it is. Got my name and number on there, just standard stuff, nothing special. I'm pretty plain, I guess. But I've already started it once. Everything seems to run fine, ran it through the gears, so it moves again. What else? I still have these spoke skins on there, so don't make fun of me too bad. I got a new set of wheels, and I just don't feel like messing with these. Plus, underneath it, they're corroded from the kid I got them from. So, what is? We'll run it for a little bit. I just gotta get tires. I just put tires on these after or before I got my new wheels, so I'm gonna tear these up and then I'll get some new tires to put on the new wheels. But yeah, it's all done, ready to rip. I just need to get my riding gear ready. So I'll do a vlog for tomorrow at the track. I guess we're gonna end up going to J Bob's again, but on his national track, which is his big outdoor track, I guess. I haven't rode it. The track's a lot closer than going to bar to bar in Kansas. It's about 3.5 hours. This is only 45 minutes. So I'm gonna take my chances and go here to J Bob's in Okmulgee and spend most of the day there riding and hanging out with all my buddies. A lot of us are going. There'll be a bunch, probably a ton of people there. But I'm stoked. She's done. She's ready to go. Kids inside sleeping. Probably should go check on them. I'm gonna have to give it another run tonight. Hopefully it's 5:30. I need to be watching Supercross. I think Atlanta's on right now. Oh yeah. How's it going, kitty? What are you doing? You're not supposed to be in the crib, bro.